Ethereum USDT 5-minute time frame. Sell here. Second take profit done. Fourth take profit done. Buy signals. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Sell here. Book your profit. Buy here. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Sell signals. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Fourth take profit done. Fifth take profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Sell here. Book profit. Third take profit done. Fourth take profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Fourth take profit done. Sell signals. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell here. Buy here. Book your profit. The market is moving sideways. But look how smoothly the signals are giving. You have already seen that this indicator does not lag. Look, recently sell, give us this indicator. Second take profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Sell signals. Buy here. Sell here. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Buy here. This indicator name is Next Level 5, 102025. This indicator works on all markets like stock, Forex, crypto, Indian market, etc. This indicator works on all time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. This indicator is 100% non-repaint. You can see it. This indicator win rate is 99.9%. Do you want to get this indicator? Contact on my WhatsApp.